So, you bought some Bitcoin. Now what? If you don't store it properly, someone else will take it. Or worse, it could disappear forever. Let's fix that. In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what a crypto wallet is, how it works, and how to choose the right one for you. Let's start simple. A crypto wallet doesn't actually hold your coins. It holds something way more important: your keys. Think of it like a vault. The vault doesn't contain gold. It holds the combination to unlock it. That combo is your private key. Every wallet comes with two keys. A public key, like your email address. You can share it. People send you crypto using it. And a private key, like your password. It proves you own the crypto. Lose it? You're locked out. Share it? You're handing someone your money. This is why wallet security is everything. Now, let's talk about hot wallets. These are wallets that are connected to the internet. Think mobile apps like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or browser extensions. They're fast, easy, and perfect for quick trades or small amounts. But because they're online, they're also more vulnerable. Hackers, phishing, malware. If your device is compromised, so is your crypto. Now we enter the cold zone. Cold wallets are offline, disconnected from the internet, like a Ledger or Trezor hardware wallet, or even a paper wallet stored in a safe. They're much harder to hack because there's nothing online to attack. Perfect for long-term holders, or large amounts you don't want to risk. Downside? They take longer to access. But if you're serious about safety, that's the point. One more thing: custody. A custodial wallet is where someone else holds your keys, like Binance, Coinbase, or an exchange. They control your crypto. You trust them to keep it safe. A non-custodial wallet puts you in control. Only you have access to the private key. No company, no middleman. It's the difference between renting a vault and owning the key to your own. Here's how to keep your crypto safe no matter what you use. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Don't store it online. Use strong passwords and TUI-F. Consider using both. Hot for quick access, cold for storage. Always triple-check websites and apps. Crypto wallets aren't just apps. They're digital safes for your financial future. So choose wisely. Protect your keys. And never forget, not your keys, not your crypto. Like this video if you learned something new. Got questions about wallets? Drop them in the comments. Subscribe for more real talk on crypto basics and safety.